So this is the GoPro Media Mod official GoPro accessory. It works with the GoPro Hero 9, 10, and 11 Black. And the way it works is you take the door off of your GoPro. This is an 11 Black, GoPro 11 Black. So you take the door off, it just pops off like that. And on the Media Mod, you open up the side. So there's a little door and the USB-C connector there connects into the USB-C connector on the Media Mod. So let's slide that in there just like that. It slides in and then you'll close the door. Now the cool thing is all of your accessories or many of your accessories will still work because the fingers just fold out the bottom like that, so you can still use your mounts and different things. It has a better microphone on it, so it comes with the wind cover there. And when you pull that off, you can see there's a big microphone on the front and a smaller one on the back. And you can choose whether you want to use the front or back microphone in your GoPro settings. Now it also has two cold shoe mounts, so one right there as well as one on the side, which is really handy. Maybe you have something like a GoPro Lite like this, and you can just attach that to your GoPro right on the top, just like that. Maybe you're doing some vlogging, very handy. Now as well, maybe you have external microphones, you can attach those as well on the side here. So you can attach all sorts of accessories to your GoPro. Now the cool thing is on the back here, there are a couple different ports. So you've got the micro HDMI connector there, so you can use that. You've got a USB-C charging port there, as well as your 3.5mm microphone jack. So we can just plug this right in here and use an external microphone with our GoPro, and that is the GoPro official accessory, the GoPro Media Mod.